What is Cmms software? Cmms software is a platform that helps an organization's maintenance department manage their assets and related upkeep in areas such as facility management, fleet maintenance, and equipment maintenance. Common features of Cmms software include work order management, which allows users to check resource availability, assign tasks, and manage inventory by scheduling maintenance in order to minimize equipment downtime. Inventory management tracks resources to maintain a supply of tools and materials required to perform routine maintenance. Billing and invoicing tools help manage financial transactions by generating quotes, creating invoices, and sending online payments with both internal departments and external customers and vendors. Preventative maintenance allows users to schedule routine maintenance tasks to prevent the chances of unexpected equipment failure. Types of buyers looking for Cmms software include small and mid-sized businesses with limited resources, and large organizations with many assets and multiple locations. Small and mid-sized businesses need software that helps reduce operating costs and improve productivity. Large organizations require functionality that can track inventory for multiple locations and simplify workflow by recording maintenance history in a central location. The key benefits of Cmms software include low operational costs, compliance management, and better visibility into resources, allowing businesses to better manage maintenance departments and extend the lifespan of equipment and other assets. It's important to invest in a platform that can be customized to fit your business needs, such as seamlessly integrating with software you already use. Our team of free advisors can give you a personalized shortlist of software options that fit your needs. Get customized matches in minutes by calling the number on your screen, or get connected with a free advisor by going to softwareadvice.com.